Hey, what's up? Today we're checking out the official version of Mi Band 3. Please take note that the current version is in Chinese, but the global version will be updated through firmware very soon. In this video, we're going to give you a first look of the Mi Band 3, and a detailed review will be out very soon, so please stay tuned. In the box, we find the Mi Band 3 itself, a strap, a charging cable, and a manual. Now we'll walk you through what's inside and the gesture controls. Tap the Mi Band 3 button to light up the screen. Slide up, you can see the steps. When you see the dotted line on the feature, that means you can slide left or right for navigation. Slide left, you see items like distance, consumption, battery juice. Tap the band button to go back to the steps interface. Slide up again to get heart rate. Long press to measure your heart rate. Under the weather section, you can check the weather forecast up to 3 days in advance. Notifications. More. Slide left, you can see the stopwatch. Long press to start counting. Please note, after counting, you have to pause. Long press the band button to reset, and then you can exit the stopwatch feature. It's a little bit tricky. There's even a finding your phone function. Check the sound. If you ever get bored of your dial, change it. Just simply tap your favorite one to change it. Overall, the interaction is very intuitive and simple. Give it a couple of minutes and you will be totally familiar with it. The last part of this video is how to connect it to your phone. Download the Mi Fit from Google Play or App Store. Open Mi Fit, click Add Device, press Band, and you will search for the band. Keep the band close to your phone. Once the band is vibrating, tap the band button to pair. That easy. The first time connecting, it will show you a simple tutorial. If you have seen the first part of the video, you can just ignore it. In order to access the display notifications on the band from your phone, you have to turn on incoming call, SMS or other app alerts in the Mi Fit. Long press to hang up. Did we mention Mi Band 3 features with 5 ATM water resistant rating? Yes, it's awesome. There are more to be seen on this Mi Band 3, and I'm eager to show you in the next video. What else do you want us to test? Please leave a comment below and we'll find out. See you in next videos.